everyone, this is Cara Michelle Nether with Women in Wellness. Every cell in our body operates off of the nutrition that we take in. All of our cells need vitamins and minerals in order to function at an optimal level. All of our organ systems in our body are made up of thousands and millions of cells. So if we're not taking in good nutrition, lots of vitamins and minerals in the food that we're eating, then our cells and then therefore our organ systems are not going to function at an optimal level. That means we're going to have lots of symptoms, uncomfortable symptoms, and then also that are going to lead to disease. Eating a whole food diet is the best way to get those nutrients that we need for our cells into our body. Eating lots of fruits and vegetables that come from the ground and straight from the trees. I've been talking to my clients about this for years, and I realized recently that it's difficult for a lot of people to do that, to eat lots of vegetables at every meal. Sometimes people don't know how to cook vegetables. Sometimes people really don't have time. Sometimes people really don't like vegetables. So we started offering standard process whole food supplements. And when I say whole food, that means that they're actually made with beets and carrots and kale from an organic farm in Wisconsin. So if you're having difficulty getting the nutrition that you know that you need, if you're having some symptoms that you think might be because you're not getting proper nutrition, please come in for a free consultation and talk to me about that. I'm happy to do a nutritional exam so that we can see where you might have some nutritional deficiencies and how we can fix that for you. I do look forward to speaking with you. Have a great day.